France 429, the push and start for runway 25 is approved, report ready for taxi.
Pushback approved for runway 25, Air France 429, we report ready for taxi.
Yes, pushback.
Local Tower, buenas noches, Air France 429 Heavy, request taxi.
Hello, Air France 429, hold position, traffic on final.
Ready, Air France 429 Heavy.
To avoid delay for runway 25 departure, Air France 429 Heavy, I need you to expedite. We have about 5 minutes starting now for your departure without delay.
Okay, we expedite Air France 429.
Thank you. Air France 429 Heavy, confirm if you're going to be ready upon reaching runway 25.
Hey, firm, ready, France 429 Heavy.
Correct, Air France 429 Heavy, roger. Winds on runway 25 are 110 degrees, 12 knots. At Lima, clear for takeoff, runway 25.
Lima, we are clear for takeoff runway 25 at France 429 Heavy.
Air France 429 Heavy, contact departures on 1196. Bye-bye.
Departure 1196, Air France 429 Heavy, bye-bye.
Bye.